Hi, I'm Dr. Jana Austin. I'm the owner of Allison Audiology. I actually started here many moons ago as a student while I was still in graduate school. I stayed on board for some time and then I left for a short period, as many of you know, to join one of the manufacturers that works in our industry, and they developed the hearing aid technology that we fit on many of our patients today. While it was a great experience, I did miss being in the office day to day and patient care, so I quickly came back after just a couple years, and being with Allison Audiology, took over the clinic soon after that. My role in recent years has changed. You may notice that I am not in the clinic day to day, but more doing operations and behind the scenes. So while it's great to be in the office and see many of you, I'm not necessarily practicing on the day-to-day basis that I once was, but I'm still here and love to see all your friendly faces. My most memorable moment was working with a patient and his wife. They had been working in the yard one weekend, and he went inside, he got showered, came down, asked her, "Aren't you gonna get ready?" And she said, "Get ready for what?" And he said, "I thought we were going to the dance." And she said, "No, I told you to treat the ants." So that to me was just one of the funniest stories that I had ever heard at that point in time. And I realized that hearing loss, as we all know, can happen to anyone. And while it creates a lot of funny moments, it's also something though that we still want to take all of those to heart, but find a treatment for as well. And that's what we're here for. My favorite part of the job is helping patients on a day-to-day basis. I love not only working with patients, but I really enjoy the behind the scenes. And while that may not sound like it's patient care day to day, I truly love taking what patients say, what they're wishing we had as far as services that we offer at Allison Audiology, and how we can implement those to really make your treatment plans more tailored to you. A few fun facts about me. As everyone knows, I love animals, but specifically dogs. I'm obsessed with the two dogs that I have, especially my little handsome man named Cooley. I don't know what I will do when the inevitable day comes that someday we may not be together, but he is the best part of my day. While I like to travel more locally around Texas. I'm not a big traveler in terms of international or things like that. I always joke that's what Google Earth is for. So you'll often find me down in Galveston, somewhere within about an hour and a half distance. That's my comfort zone. One thing I wish all patients knew and really thought about is that hearing devices aren't just a commodity. You know, we're so used to shopping online. If there's something we want, we jump over to Amazon, we put it in our cart, and then it's ours in just a couple days. With hearing devices, it truly is a part of your healthcare treatment plan going forward. If you come in and we find that there is a hearing loss present, a hearing device isn't something that we just add to cart and it's a one-size-fits-all approach. We truly have a solution for every challenge that a patient has. So the more that we learn about you, the more we can customize a hearing device so that it truly meets the needs that you're sharing with us. Whether it's something very specific, whether it's multiple things throughout your day or different areas, we have technology to meet those needs. And that being said, again, it's not something as simple as going online, ordering it, saying it does or doesn't work, but again, really fine-tuning it for exactly what you need it to be so that you're successful for years to come with your hearing devices.